I don't know who this superstar is upset, but they're facing incredible odds tonight.
Such a difficult situation to prepare for, Michael. Let's see if they stand their ground and try to match their attacks, or...
Double leg takedown. Gonna stack them up here.
Shoulders pinned.
Cover. He cuts the pin attempt short.
Ooh, walloped by a huge club.
Oh, shin breaker. Gonna be hard to walk after that.
Maneuvers out of the way. Great way to completely disrupt the momentum and buy yourself some time. Springboard moonsault into the DDT.
When you're in a no disqualification match, it's essential that you unleash your inner brutality. This is no time to hold back and act like the rules still matter.
It's the truth. This is a match condition you have to lean into, or you are in for a world of hurt.
Vicious arm stomp.
Boom, one step ahead there.
Massive miscalculation on that one.
Ooh. He has him lined right in his sights.
Okay, he should really focus on the match now. We get the point. And that canceled out Reigns' offense.
Faithful into the reverse DDT.
Moonsault! That was beautiful. What a reversal from AJ.
Heading back to the ring.
Took him out at the knee.
Debilitating attacks like that are exactly how you create a big opening.
Absolutely no respect from Roman Reigns.
Absolutely no telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
And now with the kendo stick in hand, he's ready to do some real damage.
Into the DDT. Ow!
Pin.
Here we go.
Oh my, how in the world did he kick out of that?
He couldn't make much of that pin attempt. The Rock reminding us all once again that we are watching the most electrifying man in sports entertainment at work. Right to the leg.
MCL and ACL could have major damage, possibly the fibula. Excellent strategy there.
Into the DDT.
Great agility. Oh, connecting on the DDT. He's starting to feel the results of this pounding.
Yeah, a lot of drive behind that one from Styles.
Styles.
Oh, he cuts it off.
He wastes no time dodging the attack.
The tried and true method to taking anyone down. Oh, dropped on the back of the neck with the DDT. Knee right on target.
He's out of the ring. What does he have in mind now? I understand getting yourself fired up, but he needs to stay on his opponent. And he comes in under the ropes now.
Styles looking for both.
Oh, man. AJ with the wherewithal to avoid that.
Oh, beautiful teamwork.
Teamwork making the dream work right here with that display.
Counter. Saw it coming.
Looks like The Rock is feeling it.
Targeted the lower body there, and it was highly effective.
Assaulting the knee with purpose. Heading to the top turnbuckle now.
Oh, look out.
Here we go. Inverted DDT.
Lights out.
A snapmare by Roman Reigns. Follows it up with a boot right to the face. Some serious damage to the arm being inflicted here.
Got out of the way that time. Oh, right hand.
Transitions to the cover.
But is it enough?
Oh my God, he's still in the match. He got the shoulder up right at the last moment. Can there be frustration mounting in these competitors, knowing it's going to take more to win this one?
You can't let those feelings seep into your psyche. You have to keep your focus.
The Rock taking a step back and measuring his opponent. Getting him right into the corner. Springboard moonsault into the DDT. looking to end this thing.
Styles clash.
Does Styles finish the job here? Driven down.
Looking to put this one away here. And a kick out at only one.
Still not enough to put him away. The Rock looking to supercharge those millions and millions of fans of his.
Uh-oh. Caught the leg and makes them pay. Looking to explore things ringside now. Looks like he's coming back in. He might just be stalling for time here.
Showing off his aerial magic. Reverse DDT for Styles. Are you kidding me?
Down DDT.
Oh, man.
One wicked attack after another. Ooh, merciless looking blow.
Defiant counter to Reigns.
Nice hip toss. Attacking the arm. Great way to break down your opponent. Into the DDT.
It's all AJ right now.
The Rock is not looking good here. Goodness, what a 450.
I think we're gonna see it.
Steps through.
Styles clash.
By Reigns.
Reigns got all of it.
Now it's a cover.
That's gotta be it. How the hell do you kick out of that?
I have no words. Not even a 2 count.
It's not often we see the tribal chief held up at the 1-yard line. You have to think Roman will want to dial up that maneuver one more time.
The defensive elbow to the gut ends that. Faithful into the reverse DDT.
You can sense it. This crowd is on pins and needles.
The WWE Universe is ready to erupt. Styles positioning his opponent.
The Styles clash.
Did AJ get all of it?
Cover. Oh, shoulder up before 3.
Getting his shoulder up there seemed like muscle memory for The Rock.
And you have to think that doubt is coming into the mind of Styles at this point.
Styles looking for old.
Into the DDT. Locked up in the corner.
AJ might be able to get the win here. And that'll finally do it. What a victory.
Here is your winner, the phenomenal AJ Styles.
That may be one of the most important wins I've seen in recent memory.
I agree, Corey. A huge victory tonight.
Always great to visit the pay window, but a victory like this makes the winner's purse all that much sweeter.